17 crops planted in March alone can keep your family fed for a full year. We are covering root cellar staples that last 8 months, greens you harvest again and again, legumes packed with protein, and perennials that keep producing for decades. Each one earned its spot based on yield, storability, and real-world reliability. Starting with the single highest calorie crop you can put in the ground this month. Number 1. Potatoes set the standard for homegrown calories and year-round food security. Once soil temperatures reach 45 degrees Fahrenheit, it is time to plant seed tubers. Try reliable varieties like Kennebec and Yukon Gold. Lay them in a 12-inch deep trench. Eyes up, then cover them and hill as they grow. Expect over 200 pounds from a single 100-foot row. Those yields translate to about 1,650 kilocalories per square meter, more food per area than any other garden crop. Properly stored in a root cellar at 4 to 10 degrees Celsius and 90% humidity, potatoes keep for 6 to 9 months. That storage makes them the cornerstone of any self-sufficient pantry. In second place, carrots bring both sweetness and storage power to the family garden. Sow seeds directly 1/4 inch deep in loose, stone-free beds. Varieties like Nantes thrive in these conditions. Thin seedlings to 2 or 3 inches apart and for plump, straight roots, ready after 70 to 80 days. For long-term storage, pack freshly harvested carrots in fine, dry sand inside ventilated crates. Maintain temperatures just above freezing and humidity between 90% and 95% to keep them crisp for up to 8 months. This sandpacking method preserves flavor and texture, making carrots a kid-friendly staple that lasts well into winter, long after most fresh produce is gone. Third on our list, onions set the foundation for a year's worth of home-cooked flavor. Planting sets or transplants in March, spaced 4 to 6 inches apart, ensures each bulb has room to mature. Match the variety to your latitude for best results. Yellow Globe thrives in northern zones as a long day onion, while Walla Walla suits southern gardens as a short day type. After harvest, curing is the critical step. Maintain 20 degrees Celsius and 65% humidity with steady airflow for 10 to 14 days. Once the necks are dry and the skins papery, onions can be stored in darkness at near freezing temperatures, holding their quality for up to 8 months. This simple process transforms a spring planting into a reliable, long-lasting staple for every meal. Number 4. Beets deliver a 2-for-1 harvest that few crops can match. Sow seeds 1/2 to 1 inch deep in early March, spacing them tightly, then thin seedlings to 3 or 4 inches apart as they grow. The first young greens are ready in just over a month, perfect for early salads or sautéing, while the globe roots mature in about 70 days. Choose a variety like Detroit Dark Red for reliable yields and deep color. Once pulled, beets store for 4 to 6 months in a cool cellar, holding their sweetness far longer than turnips. This dual-purpose crop bridges the gap between early leafy greens and long-keeping roots, making it a practical staple for any year-round food plan. Number 5. Cabbage delivers both heavy yields and long-term food security when planted as transplants in March. With 18-inch spacing for full-sized heads, varieties like Storage Savoy reach maturity in about 90 days and can be cellared for 4 to 6 months. But cabbage's true value lies in fermentation. Shred the heads, mix with 2% salt by weight, and pack tightly to launch the lactic acid process. When the pH drops below 4.5, sauerkraut becomes shelf-stable and safe for months. This simple method transforms a spring planting into jars of vitamin-rich food that carry families through the leanest seasons, anchoring any self-sufficient pantry. Number 6. Kale thrives when sown or transplanted in March, setting up a harvest that stretches well beyond the first frost. With 12 to 18 inches between plants, varieties like Winterbore and Lacinato fill the bed with deep green leaves ready for cut-and-come-again harvests. As the season cools, kale's flavor actually sweetens, and the leaves hold their texture even after a hard freeze. Bundles can be picked, blanched, and frozen without losing much vitamin content, making it possible to enjoy homegrown greens in the dead of winter. With an 8-month or longer harvest window, kale delivers steady nutrition and flexibility, anchoring the cold season garden before protein-rich legumes take center stage. Number 7. Spinach brings a fast, nutrient-packed harvest to the March garden. Seeds germinate as soon as the soil hits 45 degrees Fahrenheit, making spinach one of the earliest crops to direct sow. Thin seedlings to 3 to 6 inches apart for broad, tender leaves. To keep spinach from bolting as days lengthen, plant in partial shade or use row covers to cool the soil. The Bloomsdale variety is a proven performer, ready for its first cutting in just 30 to 40 days. Harvest outer leaves regularly for a steady supply, and skip the blanching. Spinach can be frozen straight from the garden, locking in vitamins for months. With quick returns and repeat harvests, spinach finishes the early leafy trio and sets the stage for protein-rich crops to follow. 8th place. Lettuce unlocks a steady stream of fresh greens with a simple succession rhythm. Direct sow seeds every 10 to 14 days in March, barely covering them with a 1/4 inch of soil. Lettuce thrives when soil temperatures reach 50 degrees Fahrenheit and moisture stays consistent, so water gently after planting. Spacing is flexible. Keep it tight for baby greens and wider for full heads, but the key is timing. Sow often, harvest often. The first cut comes in 30 to 45 days, especially with cool-tolerant varieties like Winter Density. Lettuce does not store long, but with this rolling schedule, salads stay crisp and homegrown through the hungry gap. Number 9. Peas bring early protein to the table with a vertical twist. As soon as the soil holds steady at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to sow seeds 1 inch deep, leaving 2 to 3 inches between each. Set up a 6-foot trellis right from the start. This simple move can triple your yield on the same footprint. Sugar Snap is a proven variety, thriving in cool weather and shrugging off light frost. For a steady supply, plant in 3-week intervals through March. In just 60 days, the first pods are ready, delivering about 50 kilocalories and 3 grams of protein per square foot of trellis. Skip the shelling, just blanch pods for 2 minutes and freeze. With peas, vertical growing means more food, less space, and a sweet protein-rich harvest before summer heat sets in. Number 10. Broad beans step in as the earliest protein source and a natural soil booster. Once the soil hits 40 degrees Fahrenheit, sow seeds 1 to 2 inches deep, spacing them 6 to 8 inches apart. The variety Aqua Dulce stands out for cold tolerance and early maturity, pushing out pods in just 60 days. Each 100 square foot bed can yield up to 1 kilogram of protein in a single harvest, enough to cover a week's worth of adult needs. After drying, the beans store for up to 12 months, ready for soups or stews long after the fresh harvest ends. As a bonus, broad beans fix nitrogen, leaving the soil richer for whatever follows. For anyone focused on both food and fertility, this is the legume you want anchoring your spring garden. Number 11. Swiss chard stands out as the long-haul green for any March garden. Once established, a single planting can keep producing for 4 to 6 months, even as temperatures swing from spring chill to summer heat. Space rows 12 to 18 inches apart to give each plant room to mature into a leafy powerhouse. The first harvest comes just 55 days after sowing, and varieties like Bright Lights bring both color and yield. With a steady cut and come again approach, each plant offers repeated pickings without bolting or bitterness. Unlike spinach, chard's resilience means you can harvest into late summer, then blanch and freeze leaves for winter use. No need for fancy preservation. As the season rolls on, Swiss chard bridges the gap between early greens and the next wave of root crops, making it a workhorse for continuous, reliable nutrition. Number 12. Turnips deliver both rapid calories and a double harvest, roots below, greens above. Direct sow seeds 1/2 inch deep in early March, then thin to 4 to 6 inches for full-sized bulbs. Purple Top White Globe is a classic pick, reaching edible size in just 30 days for baby roots or 60 days for hefty half-pound bulbs. The leafy tops are ready even sooner, bringing early nutrition while the roots swell. After harvest, turnips store 3 to 5 months in a sand clamp or root cellar, holding their quality deep into winter. With quick returns and reliable storage, turnips are the first calorie-dense root to follow the spring greens, setting up the garden for the Maine tomato and summer crops to come. Number 13. Tomatoes transform a March seed start into a pantry's worth of sauce by late summer. Begin seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost, keeping them at a steady 75 degrees Fahrenheit for reliable germination. Harden off seedlings for 7 to 10 days before transplanting into warm, frost-free soil. Indeterminate varieties like San Marzano keep producing all season, while determinates ripen their fruit in one big flush, ideal for canning. A healthy plant can yield 10 to 20 pounds, enough for about 5 quarts of rich jarred sauce per plant. With proper heat canning, those jars become shelf-stable calories, carrying your harvest deep into winter and turning a handful of March seeds into real food security. Number 14. Peppers require an early start indoors to deliver flavor and steady harvests all summer. Begin seeds in March, sowing them a 1/4 inch deep in trays and keeping temperatures between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit for reliable germination. Peppers need strong light, use a grow lamp if windows are weak, and plan on 8 to 10 weeks before transplanting outdoors after the last frost. Each plant can yield 1 to 5 pounds of fruit, whether you choose sweet bells or hot jalapenos. For year-round use, slice and dry peppers or pickle them in vinegar, turning a single March seed tray into jars of preserved heat and color for the pantry. Number 15. Winter squash sets the stage for calorie-dense harvests that last well beyond the first frost. Start seeds indoors in late March, giving these vigorous vines a head start before transplanting them out when the soil warms. Each plant sprawls 3 to 6 feet, so plan for plenty of room. Butternut and other storage varieties yield 5 to 10 pound fruits packed with about 100 kilocalories per 100 grams, making them a powerhouse for homegrown calories. After harvest, cure the squash at 80 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 days to harden the skins. Properly cured, these fruits store for 4 to 8 months in a cool, dry spot, feeding your family deep into winter when fresh produce is scarce. Number 16. Rhubarb is the perennial that starts paying off the very next spring. Plant divisions or crowns in March, setting each crown so the top sits just below soil level in a bed enriched with compost. Space them at least 2 feet apart, because these plants get big. The first year is all about establishment, so limit harvest to a stalk or 2 per plant. By year 2, you will pull full armloads of tart, ruby red stalks for pies, sauces, and especially compote. The variety Victoria is a classic choice for both vigor and flavor. Rhubarb freezes beautifully, holding its texture and tang for months, so just slice and pack for the winter larder. With a well-tended bed, one planting can feed a family for a decade or more, bridging the spring hunger gap before most other crops are ready. Asparagus offers a rare promise. Plant 1-year-old crowns in March, set deep in an 8 to 10 inch trench, spaced 18 inches apart, and patience yields a harvest that can last 20 years. In the first year, ferns are left untouched to anchor the roots. In the second year, only a few spears are picked, just enough to sample. By the third spring, a mature bed produces a reliable crop, with each 40-foot row of Jersey Night delivering 8 to 12 pounds annually. Spears push through the soil early, when gardens are mostly bare. Unlike annuals that demand replanting, asparagus rewards the initial labor of trenching and soil work with decades of dependable returns. For those seeking food security, this perennial stands alone. Plant once, maintain with weeding and mulching, and enjoy a spring harvest for a generation. Across all 17 crops, one truth stands out. True self-reliance grows from diversity and timing. When you plant with purpose, your garden isn't just food, it is long-term security for your family. The real harvest isn't just what you pick, but the resilience you build season after season.